Hey guys! Today we're gonna get our second dose of COVID and I'm pretty excited about this. We are done. Sorry if I'm like squinting because it's kind of bright outside. So we weren't able to film inside Safeway to do the, what's it called, while we were getting our shot. But we did it. It's not as bad. It hurt a little bit more this time, but like I said, it's not that bad. And we just spent time walking around, grabbing stuff for us, for at home. Yeah, we're on our way to IKEA now. We'll see you there. We got to IKEA. We are looking for pots today. That's the main goal. I also want to look at some live plants because the last time we were here, there was a bunch, but I didn't really pay attention to them. We are. So the whole family is here. There's Julio, me, and Zoe. Can you say hi? But before we do all that, we are gonna go eat first because most of Coloradans have already gotten their vaccine. CDC decided that it's okay for people to not have their mask indoor and restaurants are okay to open again, but we're still gonna be using our mask. So yeah, I'll check back in after we're done eating. So we're done. We're back in the car. We're about to leave to go home and do the repotting. But we didn't get a bunch of stuff planting wise. We only got 2 pots and it was the woven one, and I got one 6 inches and one 7 inches. I'm okay with that. I was just hoping that I could find more ceramic ones, but I didn't. I think there was one, but it was 4 inches. So we get
the lights. The base for the lights.
We got lights for the base. Yeah, the base for the lights for our grow light. So I moved a bunch of my plants to my dresser, above my dresser, in the living room, and I just need to put some grow lights because they get light but not as much as the previous area, or the where I had it before. So yeah, so we have a bunch of projects to do. I don't think we're gonna finish everything today. For sure, we're gonna do the repotting today, but maybe the base of the grow light will go on the wall today, depending on how we feel. Because I don't know, how do you feel right now with the shot and everything?
With the shot of
the vaccine.
Oh. I mean, I don't mind.
How do I? Okay.
I'm still gonna focus on you.
Oh shit.
Yeah, that's okay. I don't mind. I mean, we'll see what happens. I've heard people getting really bad. I know you have a boo-boo. Give me 1 second, okay?
But I think right now we're okay, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
We're okay.
I think we're okay for right now. Because we ate. And I think the one that's cranky and tired is Zoe, not us. But yeah, so we're gonna go home and we'll see you guys at home. Bye. All right, so we're home now and we are gonna get to repotting. Okay, before I start with the repotting, I want to talk about the stuff that I'll be using for the repotting. I will link everything down below in the description. All right, so we got this black gold potting mix. It is sphagnum peat moss with softwood bark, and then there are some processed forest products in here, compost, perlite, and apparently it says it may contain pumice or cinders and worm castings. So technically I don't need to use the worm casting that I got, but I'm still gonna add it either way. And I am still gonna add the pumice because I don't know how airy the mixture is. So for the pumice, I'm gonna be using USA pumice. I also got this from Amazon. All these I got from Amazon because I tried looking locally and I couldn't find. I can't find anything locally. I don't know why. And I mean, I don't know if I was looking at the wrong sites or my keywording was not the right one, but yeah, I ordered everything from Amazon. Last one, we have worm castings. It's essentially worm poop. So I'm gonna be touching worm poop. I don't know how I feel about that. I feel like maybe I should grab gloves. I'm grabbing gloves. Okay, I got my gloves. I feel a little bit better now. Worm poop. Okay. Anyways, I'm gonna mix all these. I have my cup so I can grab them like that, and also my bucket for mixing. The two that I am gonna repot are my two baby Monstera. This one needs to be repotted badly because the roots are super bounded, and this one is not bad. Like, it's not super bounded on like the outside, but there are roots that are coming above the soil, so it needs to be repotted. All right, let me first open the potting mixture and see what it looks like. I don't know if I'm gonna be keeping the bag or if I'm gonna transfer it somewhere else to like a bigger Ziploc bag. Oh, it's actually not bad. But I think I'm still going to add a little bit more perlite to make it airier than this. It feels kind of airy, but I am gonna add more perlite. So from the videos that I've been watching and like creating your own potting mix soil for your house plants, you want to do 60-40, meaning 60% of coco coir and then 40% of perlite and nutrition. But okay, so I'm gonna add the pumice. And, okay, yeah, this feels so much better now that I'm mixing it. It feels a lot more airier than before. So now it's time for the worm poop. Yum. I know this is like not 40%, but because there's already worm casting in the soil mix, I'm not gonna add a bunch. Yeah, I think that's good. Now it's time to mix the soil with the worm poop. All right, it doesn't look bad, and it's very airy. Okay, so now I'm gonna add the soil first in my pot. I am moving the plant from 4-inch pot to 6-inch. So you see there's like about like 1.5 inch gap, like from the center to the outer part. So that's what you kind of want to do. Let me just try to unbound the root. So yeah, that looks great. Now I'm gonna add the, oh gosh, how am I gonna do this? Okay, I think that works. I'm gonna try to mix the old one with the new one. All right, so this looks really, really good. I don't think I'm gonna water it. I might water it a little. Actually, no, it's pretty dry. Yeah, no, I'll water it. So let me put that aside and work on the next Monstera. The soil mix, or the potting mix. Oh gosh, that was like raining down. All right, this one I know it's a little bit on the dry side. The last time I watered this guy was 2 weeks ago. You see how bounded the root is? This one is big, and I know there's this guy is like coming out, and then we had gosh, how am I gonna do this? All right, I'm back. This is as much as I can, like it's as best as I can unbound it. I didn't really do a bunch. There's still a bunch of like tree bark inside, but I am afraid that if I like just pull and tug, that I'm actually gonna damage the root system. They still have the little bag that was from the nursery, like on the inside, and it is 2 different trees that they put together, but I don't want to try to separate it because, like I said, I'm afraid that I'm gonna damage it instead of helping it. So what I'm gonna do, I'm actually just gonna repot this guy. This Monstera I am gonna stake because of how it is. Like, this is leaning so much. I kind of don't like that. I know it's what do you call it? It's a crawling plant. But yeah, I like it when it's not so leggy. I guess that's what you would call it. I'm trying to put that one, the new root that's growing out above the I'm gonna grab more soil from here. That feels better. Now I'm just gonna wait for this baby to create more leaves. Hopefully I'll get more leaves after this repotting. Because I was wondering, why wasn't this, it wasn't doing anything, you know? I mean, I'm pretty sure it's growing, but it was just not really growing as fast as my other plants, even though it got a bunch of sun. It was staying in a south-facing window, but it was not doing anything. So when I checked the root, I saw how the root bounded it was. That's when I was like, makes sense. I'm not entirely sure how I'm gonna do this. I think I'm gonna I'm also trying not to jab the root system. Do it ever so gently. Okay, I think that's in the middle. Let me tie it. Ooh. How am I gonna do this? Okay, so there is some room for it to move around. It's not gonna look pretty, but it's okay. All right, but at least it's not super slanted. Okay, I'm done. Now I'm gonna water these two plants and just have them kind of like soak through, and we're gonna put them in their new housing, or not really new housing. One of the pot that I bought from IKEA is gonna be one of these guys' new housing. So I'm just gonna have to pick which one is gonna go in that pot. Okie dokie. I have my water and I also have my spritz bottle. I'm gonna spritz the leaf with this guy and water with it, obviously, right? And I'm gonna use my little bucket thing for to catch the water. This guy feels nice and heavy now. I'm gonna try to drain it a little bit more because it's still coming out. But yeah, he was actually pretty thirsty because like I said, I haven't watered this guy for weeks now. And wait, when did I open this plant? It was last week, huh? So I haven't watered this guy for a week. And I'm guessing, I don't know, it was so dry. The soil was really, really dry. All right, so this was the new one that we got today from IKEA. And then I have this guy that I got from Home Depot. I kind of don't know which one I want to put. I might put him here. And the one that I got from IKEA. How does that look? Does that look okay? I think it looks nice. All right, I like that. I really, really like that. Yeah. Okay, So now is this guy's turn. Also, what do you call your plants? Do you call your plants he or she? This guy, little miss, or because for some reason I always call my plants this guy. Sometimes I would say she, sometimes I would say he, sometimes it will be it. I don't know. Or what does everyone call their plants? Or refer to them as? All right. Nice and heavy. Full of water, full of life. I am gonna spritz this guy. Oh, wow. So cute. Look at that. Oh, it's so pretty. I love it. I love it so much. All right, now it's time for spritzing. Okay, we are done. I think I did a good job. What do you guys think? Tell me down in the comment section. And yeah, if you like the video, give me a thumbs up and click subscribe if you haven't already. And don't forget to click on the little bell icon so you can get notified for whenever I have new videos uploaded. I upload my new videos every Thursday as of right now. Maybe in the future I might do more than just once a week. Let me know if you guys have other video suggestions that you guys want me to do. I am thinking of doing a plant haul for my birthday this coming week. I am so excited. I can't wait. Or I think I might do my plant haul next week after my birthday, but essentially will still be my birthday plant haul, just not on my birthday because I won't be here. Thank you for watching. I will see you next Thursday. Bye. Let me redo that again, the whole thing.
Hey, watch out, that's water. It's dirty. Let's go on this side. Mommy's not done. Yeah, we're almost done. That's so sexy. You have to put that. You have to put that.